Hi everyone, welcome to another cake tutorial with me. Today I'm going to show you how I made this monster truck cake decorated with edible dirt and fondant flames. Let's get into it. First, let's make the fondant flames. I used yellow fondant and this flame-shaped silicone mold to create the fire flames. I was expecting them to look better, but they were not quite the shape I wanted. Luckily, I had another smaller mold that worked much better. Then I thought for the top flames, I should make 3 different sizes for variety. So I created 3 flame templates and traced them onto my yellow fondant. I made 3 sets in total and placed a piece of floral wire between 2 layers of fondant flames so they could stand upright and securely on top of the cake. Next, I made the number 4 because Teddy was turning 4. I used this number and letter cutters and placed them on top of black fondant to give them a nice border. Now it was time to paint the flames to make them look more realistic and vibrant, like real fire. I realized I added a bit too much color at first, so I gently rubbed some off and they turned out much better in the end. Next, let's prepare the cake. It was a 9-inch white chocolate mud cake with alternating layers of Swiss meringue buttercream and white chocolate ganache filling. Once I stacked all 4 layers and filled them, I covered the entire cake with white chocolate ganache. After achieving a smooth finish, I covered the cake with black fondant. I rolled out my black fondant and covered the cake all around. It takes practice to get a smooth fondant finish, but once you know the right technique and find a fondant that suits you, it becomes much easier. Here I'm covering the cake board with yellow fondant. Now comes the tricky part, which is adding the tire marks around the cake. So I tried to make them all the same size, but since the fondant was placed on a diagonal angle, some didn't line up perfectly. So it was a bit of a challenge. I probably should have made some guide marks first, but it still turned out fine in the end because the marks and fondant were both black, so they blended nicely. Here, I painted the yellow board with red and orange edible paint. I added the name Teddy, and I also attached an edible image of the Monster Jam logo to the front of the cake. Then I placed the smaller and thinner flames around the sides of the cake and painted them with the same edible red and orange paints. Once all the flames were attached, I added the 3 larger flame sets on top. Next, I piped some chocolate ganache and added edible dirt made from crushed Oreos. I made a mound of dirt before placing the monster truck on top. The truck was supplied by my client. I think it looked great and matched the cake's theme perfectly. I added the 2 racing flags and I secured the truck with a bit more chocolate and 2 lollipop sticks to keep it steady during transportation. I sprinkled more edible dirt around the board and on top of the cake. And there you have it, a monster truck cake for Teddy's 4th birthday. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my cake decorating videos every week. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time.